Alright, Adelie, this is the big hike. Ready for this?
Yes, I'm always ready.
Alright, let's do this thing. So we went on a little adventure. We went up through the cherry orchards, and we're at about 2 miles now. We walked up towards the Readiness Center, and it's pretty slimy and slippery up here. There's a lot of rain, and so we're going to start making our way back down, but it's been fun. Adelie, you want to add anything to that? No? No? Okay, let's start making our way home. So today is a full day of indoor recesses, so there's not a lot of moving around, so I'm taking my lunch break, just trying to walk around inside the building as much as I can, and got to get it in where you can. So even though it poured down rain a good chunk of the day, still got a workout in. I walked around at school, and then after school I went to the gym with my son, and we worked out with weights for about 15 minutes, and then I got on the treadmill for another 15 minutes, and yeah, it was a really good, actually turned out to be a really good day. It was fun getting in there, working out.